How to delete album in Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your album in Facebook app. Now, to do so, first open up your Facebook app and log into your account. Now head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see on the left hand side of your screen and scroll down below until you find the option photos. You can see one right here. Now here, if you head over to albums, you'll be able to find all your albums here. Now to delete an album, what you can do is tap on the album and open it. I'll just open this one and then tap on the three dots icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen right there, and then you'll find the option to delete. And if you tap on delete, it'll ask you to delete album. Are you sure you want to delete the album? You can see the confirmation popping up. Now if you tap on delete, you'll be simply able to delete it. So this way you can delete an album in Facebook. If you want to add another, you can simply tap on create album and create another album. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.